Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Gemini AI on iPhone. So let's get started. First, find the Gemini AI app on your device. Once you find it, tap and hold onto it until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, tap on the Remove App option. Now tap on the Delete App option. Finally, tap on the delete option again to confirm your choice and delete the app. And this is how you can uninstall Gemini AI app on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.